So we're in the Tim Hortons Drive Thru with the truck.
Oh, it almost didn't start, bro. That was scary. What the fuck? Bitch. No, I can't do it.
I covered the microphone, but we're in the back of the truck. Hey, we're rapping.
Hey.
Lost royalty.
Hey.
And driven.
Hey.
Monster. Where's the monster symbol? Oh, right there. I have to pee. Yeah, so this is our view.
Oh, yo, this guy was like doing this like weird like do, and I was like, what? And then I tried it, and then listen to this. It sounds so weird.
The blue.
I can't do it.
Tim Hortons, sponsored by. No, we're not sponsored. That Jeep is my brother. I'm going deaf. What is he doing?
God damn, I'm hyped as fuck right now. Sorry.
You should see me after a concert. What are you? You almost hit me in the face.
Wait, yo, jumping jacks. Jumping jacks in the back of the truck, bro. Back of the truck, bro. Oh, God, watch, he like stepped on it.
It goes right over the truck. Focus! Oh, there we go. That was an ugly view. when you see the D.
When it's larger than 2 inches.
That's Lou. Lost royalty. Oh, D.
Which way are you going?
I don't know. Oh, they can't see us very well.
Oh, rip. Whoa!
Oh well, my phone battery. It's long.
Hey, it's a truck. Wow!
Camaro.
Ew.
Subies. Oh God.
Oh, shit.
This is kind of illegal.
This is kind of fun.
Us when we do
Actually,
illegal
I did
things.
this before once.
Yeah, we did it. You know,
I'm gonna watch him order. I mean, get his food. Hey, can I get a large cock?
Yeah, it says on the window, what? Do not inappropriate language or not the television.
Oh,
I read that so many times.
I didn't know that.
We can get kicked. We can't get our ice caps if that happens. Like, I will throw you. I'm kidding.
Hey, can I get a large penis with that?
Kiss them. They love you.
No, you gotta do the yeah,
Smalls. He's like, Smalls? Focus camera, focus. There we go.
Vlog and roll.
It's our change.
Wow.
My arm's getting tired. This camera's not even that big and my arm's getting tired.
Oh, imagine a big camera.
Imagine my big DSLR just holding it like that.
Imagine like Casey's.
Oh, yeah, that's the size of mine, almost, yeah.
I think it's bigger.
Except mine's not a video camera, or else I'd be using it.
Wow, that looks so sexy. I love those trucks.
I look so ugly, like I hate that. Oh, I almost peed myself.
Okay, I got weed.
He said nothing.
I said weed, like the grass, man.
Why are we like looking? Oh,
shit.
Oops. He's on the vlog. He's probably like.
Oh shit.
Yeah. By the way, we're at Barlow. We're at Barlow, and we're in the back of it. This is sketchy. Oh God. Woot!
I can just drift. Oh.
Oh, wait.
We
What did he just go over? Oh.
Speed bump.
Yeah, say hi to these guys. Say woo!
Hi.
Oh, my chairman back.
Me too.
Please don't be a cop somewhere. Or else we are in trouble.
No, true.
Just keep your feet down like that.
I gotta keep mine up here so I don't like fly.
Oh, we're in the parking lot again.
I know. Ow! Jesus!
Did you think at the back of the window too? I caught that video too.
I was like, hold on.
Oh, hold on, Matt. Okay, go.
Go!
They're holding.
We're holding on!
We got this.
Good, they're holding on.
He's gonna do something crazy.
Okay, man. Oh.
What do you say?
Get in.
Collapse the chair.